Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Thermostat. GS for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 498,096,00450. The Thermostat. GS for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 498,096,00450 is a gas thermostat designed to control the temperature of commercial cooking equipment. It is a direct replacement for the original part and is designed to fit Vulcan Hart models such as Vulcan Hart gas thermostat. This thermostat has a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and features an adjustable dial for precise temperature control. The thermostat also includes a manual reset button and an LED indicator light that illuminates when the desired temperature has been reached. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a thermostat for a Vulcan Hart commercial oven. It fixes symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the temperature not reaching the desired level, or the oven cycling on and off too frequently. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the furnace. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall. 3. Disconnect all wires from the existing thermostat and label them according to their color. 4. Connect the wires to the new thermostat according to their labels and colors. 5. Mount the new thermostat onto the wall using screws or adhesive strips, depending on your model. 6. Turn on the power to the furnace and test that it is working properly by setting a temperature and observing if it changes accordingly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.